Hi everyone!
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If this is your first time visiting our channel,
welcome.
Welcome. My name is David.
I'm Aaron.
And we are
Adventures of David and Aaron.
And as you've seen by today's title, guys, and everyone, this is our first annual 2019 Christmas card exchange. So, we are asking you, our subscribers and viewers, to send us a Christmas card. In return for every Christmas card we receive,
we will send you one.
We'll send you one back. When you send us a Christmas card, if you care to, share maybe something fun with us, a family tradition, or
maybe a recipe.
A cookie recipe. Maybe we'll get Aaron to cook and we'll feature your recipe.
I love to cook, so why not?
On one of our Christmas videos.
You will send that card to P.O. Box 442, Palm Springs, California, 92263. Attention David and Aaron.
So everyone, we know it is a little early. It's not even Thanksgiving yet, but
with the holiday mail, it gets slow. You get busy with work, shopping, whatnot, starting early.
And we want to give time for the mail to travel and to get you. And for everyone that sends us a postcard, or I'm sorry, a Christmas card, we want to make sure that we're able to get our Christmas card to you
in time
before Christmas. So the deadline will be, the cutoff will be December the 16th, because I believe the 15th of December is on a Sunday.
I believe.
So our deadline will be December 16th, and you can be from Canada, you can be from Australia, London, New Zealand,
China, wherever you're from.
Anywhere we get a postcard from,
we will send one
back to you. So guys, we hope you participate in our Christmas card exchange. You can also follow us on Twitter, Adventures of
DNA,
and on Instagram at Adventures of David and Aaron. So everyone, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and until our next video, guys,
happy Thanksgiving,
happy holidays, and remember, enjoy life, make it an adventure. Bye guys.
Everyone.